Chao here. Many of you have been asking ever since we started on YouTube, when are you going to collab with Chengman? Well, the answer is right now, in the form of a PC Buildoff via NCIX. Most of you know what NCIX is, but in case you don't, it is literally the brand I trust the most when it comes to building my computer. I've been using NCIX to build my computer for editing and gaming since 2009. That's 6 years. For a price of a MacBook with minimal specs, you can get a pimped out PC for all your needs. So just think how excited I was when NCIX asked me to compete against the Chengman for the opportunity of getting a free PC custom build via NCIX. So without further ado, let's see who won. This computer is mine!
Yes. Welcome to the NCIX Surrey store, boys. You are here for the ultimate PC build-off.
But first, you must find your components.
That's right, let's do this!
Let the hunt begin.
GeForce. I need a GeForce.
It's up to me!
Oh. Yeah, I got one.
Hey!
Box out.
Hey! Oh! Oh!
Oh, got it. Oh, motherboard. I need the motherboard.
Oh! Intel M-Dash CSM.
What is this? Yeah, I'm one up, man. I'm one up.
Because you are trash.
Big boy.
Okay, 4750. You're garbage, just like your mother is garbage compared to my mother.
Whoa.
Yeah, mother
Go
jokes.
there, bro. Go there.
Can I just have a keyboard just for fun? Damn it!
I don't know what I'm looking for. I think this is it.
Hey, you sure that's yours? Yeah.
Guys, break it up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more.
One more? Samsung! Solid state drive!
I don't know what I need. I don't know what this means.
By Bitfenix Theory.
Yeah.
What is that?
Power supply.
Bit shield fan power?
How many you got left?
Oh, don't worry about me, huh?
Power supply? Like one of these?
Oh! I won!
Oh, no way! I'm already winning! Yeah, you're missing one.
Go.
I was
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
No,
6, 7.
no, you see?
Oh, little.
Look at that! Look at this! Ah! I raised the box first!
Oh!
That's
Woo!
beautiful.
That's what I'm talking about, bro. I told you. We ain't gonna fight. So, congratulations, Chengman, for winning the scavenger hunt. Your prize is a 5-minute head start at the ultimate build-off.
To the studio!
So there you have it. Chengman, by controversial means, defeated me to gain the advantage for the build-off. Of course, we still don't know who wins. So, to see who wins, head over to NCIX's YouTube channel to check it out. Or you can click this annotation. Or you can click the link in the description.
The trial can now start.
Put it on the floor. Show your love for me, Chengman, and NCIX by book giving this video a thumbs up. Until next time, stop drinking the haterade and start drinking the bubble tea. Chao side, motherfucker.
Whoa, Coach Chao, girl, I don't even know how I met you this weekend, but can I get you alone?